friends, today's topic, do you want to make your house purchase free? Follow this method. I am Dr. Bharath and the purpose of the video is financial education of society. Large number of people keep asking us questions about the house purchase, and all of you know house purchase is one of the most expensive choice in our life. I hope if you listen to this video, you'll make the right kind of moves towards purchasing of a house and also probably make it absolutely free. Year by year, it is becoming difficult to purchase a house in major cities. This is because real estate has become very expensive and people are forced to take huge loans if they have to purchase a house. Such loans are unaffordable for most middle class people and very big burden on their finances. Due to this, many people are postponing purchase of their house to reach a phase when they can comfortably pay the home loan EMIs. As per statistics, 80 to 85% of the people in India take a home loan to purchase a house. Around 35 to 40% of the take-home income goes towards payment of home loan EMIs. Most parents suggest their children to purchase a house the initial part of their career. However, looking at it in terms of financial planning, it is not a good decision. It is wiser to rent a house for approximately the first 10 years of the career and develop the capacity to pay a good amount of down payment and comfortably pay the EMIs. In this video, we will suggest a way to recover the interest paid on home loan by investing a particular amount as SCP in stock markets. Let us assume that a person decides to purchase a house worth rupees 80 lakhs. Suppose he can make a down payment of rupees 25 lakhs, then he needs to take a home loan of 55 lakhs. If we assume that he takes 55 lakhs home loan at 8.5% interest per annum for a period of 20 years, the EMI per month will be around 48,000. The interest rate may fluctuate a bit, but it may even fall over a period since the long term as the country develops more, interest rates fall. However, let us assume that it will be constant for a calculation purposes. Now, details of home loan. Loan amount 55 lakhs, interest paid over 20 years 59.55 lakhs, total payment for loan 20 years 1.145 crores, monthly EMI 48,000. People are reluctant to pay a total interest of more than the principal amount. It also becomes a huge commitment for 20 years of their career. In order to make it more comfortable, a person can do the following. Guidelines to offset interest cost of home loan. 1. Postpone purchase of own house till the age of 35 or so. 2. Once you feel that you are in a position to purchase a decent house and can save a decent amount of money after paying home loan EMI, then consider house purchase. 3. In the above example, EMI is 48,000 which you need to keep paying for 20 years. 4. Simultaneously start an SCP of around 20 to 25% of the EMI amount in good stocks at the time of taking home loan. So in this case, your SCP could be around 10,000 to 12,000 per month. However, ideally, it is best if a person can start SCP at the beginning of his career rather than start when purchasing a house. Details of SCP for 20 years. 12,000 SCP amount, rate of return, let us assume 12%, final corpus after 20 years 1.16 crores. If the SCP amount 12,000, rate of return is assumed to be 15%, final corpus after 20 years is 1.69 crores. Same conditions, if we are going to get 18%, then it comes to 2.49 crores. Now, fifth suggestion. As you can see, the corpus at 12% growth itself comes to 1.16 crores, which covers the home loan principal and interest paid over the 20 years. The house would have also appreciated by 8 to 10% per annum average. So, if the investor is smart and is capable of doing SCP apart from EMI payment, he will have some extra corpus for his future after loan repayment. Number 6. If he invests well and gets 15 to 18% per annum, then you will have a good corpus of between 1.69 to 2.49 crores. Now the summary. Down payment 24 lakhs. Home loan principal plus interest 1.145 crores. SCP total investment 12,000 per month into 12 into 20 years is 28.80 lakhs, and the total outflow for the house is 1.683 crores. Corpus from SCP investment at 12%, 1.16 crores. Corpus from SCP investment at 15%, 1.69. Corpus from SCP investment 18%, 2.49 crores. Now effective cost of the house, corpus at 12%, 1.683 crores minus 1.16 crores that I got from SCP is equal to 52.3 lakhs is the cost of the house. Suppose the corpus at 15% comes to 1.69, then you will have extra 70,000 rupees after paying for the full house. Corpus at 18% and then it comes to 2.49 crores, then after purchasing the house and after paying all the things, you will have 80.7 lakhs extra with you. Number 7 suggestion. So if an investor does SCP while paying his EMI, he will be able to offset the house cost, may even be able to create an excess amount. Number 8, we have ignored the appreciation of the house. The house may be valued at 2.5 to 3 crore, if not more. We have assumed a flat of 1 crore is bought and hence limited appreciation. If a house is constructed on a plot, then the value may be even 4 to 5 crores after 20 years. Number 9 suggestion. So, the investor can generate a good source of income in his life to allow EMI plus SCP. His financial position will be good for retirement even after purchasing a house. Number 10 suggestion. Most investors don't develop a good skill to grow in career and hence will have capacity to only pay EMI and will not have much savings apart from that. In such a situation, person may have a house but not sufficient liquid asset for retirement. 11. Even if you cannot invest 25% of EMI amount as SCP, trying 10 to 15% also could offset your house cost to a large extent. Here is an announcement. Mutual fundo illa share ಯಾವುದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಲಾಭಕರ ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚೆ. Today 9:15 p.m. YouTube live on Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel by Dr. Bharath Chandra and Rohan Chandra. End of the video, here is the question. If you don't have your own house, then this is a very useful idea. Currently, do you have your own house? Yes or no? You may type. If you are not the member of this particular channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.